Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have a very exciting box to share with all of you. This is the Quilt Bestie Box from Quilt with Miss Kate. Hopefully you can see that. It is so bright and colorful. I love the colors that she chose for this box design. So this is actually I don't know if it's going to be a subscription box, but this is like kind of a one-time pre-order type thing that I saw. And this is the Stars Hollow edition of her Quilt Bestie Box. And I am a diehard Gilmore Girls fan. Funny enough, actually the day that this came in, which was last Tuesday, I actually was getting home on a flight from Burbank, where I actually went to the Gilmore Girls lot on the WB lot, and it was just amazing. So I've got some of my merch here. I got a ton of merch when I was there. It says "I smell snow" with a little gazebo on the back. I am in love with all things Gilmore Girls. I will definitely be doing a video. It's probably going to be a lot of like a slideshow because I didn't take much video at the tour. But I am definitely going to be doing a Gilmore Girls Stars Hollow video for all of you to share what I experienced last Monday. All right, but let's get into this box. I want to tell you all about it. So there were two options that you could choose when pre-ordering this Quilt Bestie box. There was a regular option, which was $99.99, and then that would have been a fat quarter bundle of Gilmore Girls fabric, as well as I think she said like 5 inspired or Gilmore Girls themed items. Or you could pay for the premium Quilt Bestie box, which actually was $145.99. That's actually the one that I ended up getting, and it is a full half-yard bundle of Gilmore Girls fabric. So these fabrics, I believe, are Camelot fabrics. I actually ordered the Camelot fabrics Gilmore Girls backing. If you remember the video that I did probably 2 months ago now of that Gilmore Girls quilt along that I'm doing, that will be the backing for that Gilmore Girls quilt. I showed it to you guys. It was from Michael's. It was pretty reasonably priced. Kind of standard quality, kind of quality that you would expect at least from like Joann and kind of like their more affordable quilt cotton section. I'm not really sure how these fabrics are going to be. Like I said, I'm really not sure if it's the same exact line, but I do know that these fabrics are now sold out by Camelot Fabrics. I am not sure if Quilt with Miss Kate has them on her website, but I will certainly let you guys know in the comments down below. I'll link to her website if she has them available. But without further ado, let's get into this box and see what she sent us. Here is an insert. It tells us the contents of our Quilt Bestie box. I'm not going to read through this because I want to show you guys what we got here in real time, but I'm going to set this aside. We just take a moment to appreciate how cute this is, this paper. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I love pink, you guys know that. Here's our first item in this box, and it feels heavy. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's a candle. Oh my gosh. It says Stars Hollow. Oh, I was going to say, I think I can already smell that even without opening it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like cinnamon buns. I'll look at the bottom here. What does it say? Morning coffee scented candle. Okay, like cinnamon buns, coffee, sugar, and vanilla. Oh, that smells so good. So this is by cecandle.com from Phoenixville, PA. Oh my God, that is hilarious because Phoenixville is literally right in my backyard, like literally a 15-20 minute drive from here. That is so funny. I had no idea that they were even around here. That's amazing. I wonder how Quilt with Miss Kate found this candle company. So it says, Stars Hollow, a unique blend of coffee at Luke's, drives to Chilton town festivals, and smelling fresh fallen snow. It is 8 ounces, and it burns for 35 plus hours. It is an all-natural soy wax candle. All right, notes of freshly brewed coffee, sweet cream, sugar, and warm vanilla. Next up, we have this Luke's coffee mug magnet, and what it looks like so far with the candle and with this is it looks like she actually found people that handcrafted these items and kind of support the small businesses, which I really love. That's kind of the first box that I've seen that supports small businesses like that. So here it is again. This is so cute. It feels kind of like a clay. I think it is clay. Yeah. Okay, and this is, it looks like fleeco.com. If you like this, you can look on their website. Maybe they'll have it available. And I am going to go ahead and see if I can find these items. I'll go ahead and total up the cost and see if we saved any money. Maybe we didn't, but I'll let you know at the very end of this video. Next up, we have these Luxe labels by Intensely Distracted. It says for mindful makers, intentslydistracted.com if you're interested. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It kind of looks like there's only one type of label that says I'd rather be reading, but I just want to see if there's anything else inside because it looks like there's a little stack here Okay, no, they all say I'd rather be reading. And here we have a handmade chapstick key ring holder. This is so cute, this custom, I wish you could see this better. There you go, hopefully. This custom fabric. I love this fabric so much that they chose. And I like that there's a key ring and there's also the kind of like carabiner as well, though, a clip. And then we also have a chapstick included to go in our little holder. This says Gilmore Girls Lip Balm Cherry Fragrance by Mad Beauty. Yum. It says coffee please and a shot of cynicism. Okay, I'll let you see that again. That was super cute. Okay, and that's how that holds in there. So secure and nice. Next we have this box. I don't know what's in here. Let's see. I know what this is. All right. So we have a cup. My daughter actually has one of these as well in Hello Kitty upstairs. This is so cute. Look at all these. A Huntsberger History, Emily Gilmore's Guide to High Society, Stars Hollow Traditions. Hopefully you can read these for yourself because these are so cute. This is really clever. Kirk's Odd Jobs, that's hilarious. My daughter kept asking when we were in Stars Hollow, she kept asking who Kirk was and what he did, and I said he's just kind of like the odd townsperson. I don't really even know how to explain Kirk, to be honest. Okay, oh yum. Okay, so this is Gasenko chocolate espresso beans. We love chocolate espresso beans in this house. Yummy. They're so beautiful too. Okay. GasenkoChocolate.com if you're interested in some espresso beans. Okay, and in the bottom of the little box here was the straw that goes with this cup. So I'll go ahead and show you the finished product here. A nice stainless steel straw. And I like that it's angled. That's actually like the safest reusable straw that you can get. I won't tell you why. You can look on the internet to ask why. We have a vinyl sticker that says mentally in Stars Hollow, and believe me, I am still stuck in Stars Hollow in my head. Such a beautiful little fictitious town. And then we have this print. This is in Omnia Paratus. If you know, it's Logan and Rory jumping with their umbrellas from a height. And it's actually really funny because I watched kind of like a behind the scenes of how they did this, and they actually had Rory just jump in the air. So she wasn't even suspended. She didn't even actually fall or anything. That was a stunt double that did that. Okay, and then here is our fabric. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right, first in the bag is this item, and it feels like Insulbright. That's what it feels like to me inside of 2 pieces of fabric here. I'm sorry, this is not focusing today. And then there's this little tie here as well as a little button. So personally, I don't know if this is the case because like I said, I don't see any instructions. But if this is the case, I believe it might be to kind of insulate this for when you're holding it. That would make sense. And it kind of looks like the same size. So maybe, I'm really not sure if there's going to be instructions. I'll have to check that little card. Maybe something on there tells us where to find instructions for this. All right, editing Lauren, hopping back on here. Hopefully you can hear me. I do have the long arm running for a customer quilt, but I just wanted to let you know. So it was a coffee koozie. All right, and the instructions are on Quilt with Miss Kate's website. So here are the items in our box if you wanted to check that out. Let me know what you guys think this might be. 2 layers of fabric, Insulbright, a button, an elastic, a hair elastic. There you go. Plus it kind of like, the dimensions just seem like they wrap pretty perfectly. Okay, so it looks like there are 5 fabrics in this half-yard bundle. So first we have the Chilton fabric with some Stars Hollow signage and some daisies. We have this burger print with Luke's Coffee, and it says Gilmore Girls. We have this tossed print here of all things Gilmore Girls. We've got Al's Pancake World takeout box, Chilton, coffee cups, Dragonfly Inn, Gilmore Girls pizza, of course, obviously the hamburgers. We've got our famous quote here from Lorelai, life's short, talk fast, with coffee cups. And the daisies are a reoccurring theme because Max bought her, I think it was like 1,000 yellow daisies. And then we have the dragonflies here with Gilmore Girls and more daisies. All All right, well, that is it for this box. I will go ahead and see if I can find these items. I will total up the cost of these items, let you know how it compares to what we spent on this box. And I'd love to know your thoughts down below because this is just a really special themed box. I loved it so much. I think Kate put a lot of effort and thought into this one, and she obviously is a Gilmore Girls fan. Obviously, she did a really great job curating these items. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.